Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Pilot engine air filter. First, make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid any burns. You'll need a new engine air filter and a Phillips head screwdriver. Open the hood and locate the large black air filter housing, usually on the passenger side of the engine bay. It's a straightforward process that can save you money and improve your vehicle's performance. Now, let's get into the housing. You'll typically find 2 to 4 metal clips around the perimeter of the air filter box. Unclip these by pulling them outwards. Some models might also have 1 or 2 Phillips head screws that need to be removed. Once all fasteners are loose, gently lift the top half of the air filter housing. With the housing open, carefully pull out the old, dirty air filter. Take a moment to notice its orientation. The new filter needs to go in the same way. This prevents improper airflow. While it's out, quickly check the inside of the airbox for any leaves or debris and remove them. Then, gently place your new, clean air filter into the housing. To finish up, carefully lower the top of the air filter housing back into place, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reattach all the metal clips and tighten any screws you removed. Double-check that the housing is sealed completely to prevent unfiltered air from entering your engine. A clean air filter improves fuel efficiency and engine longevity. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.